The world is on the cusp of a major transition in the way we power our vehicles. The widespread adoption of electric vehicles, EVs, is becoming increasingly likely, with many countries announcing plans to ban the sale of new gasoline and diesel-powered cars in the coming years. But what would happen if all vehicles on Earth were to be replaced by EVs? In this video, we'll explore the potential benefits and challenges of this scenario. Firstly, it's important to understand the environmental impact of transportation. The transportation sector is responsible for a significant proportion of global greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. By replacing all vehicles with EVs, we could dramatically reduce these emissions. According to the International Energy Agency, the global EV fleet is projected to displace around 5.2 million barrels per day of oil demand by 2040. Which would lead to a reduction of approximately 1 gigaton of carbon dioxide emissions per year. Another key benefit of EVs is cost efficiency. While the initial purchase price of an EV may be higher than that of a traditional gasoline-powered car, the lifetime costs of an EV are often lower. In terms of technical superiority, EVs offer several advantages over traditional vehicles. EVs have fewer moving parts, which means they require less maintenance and are less likely to break down. They also offer instant torque, providing a smoother and more responsive driving experience. Additionally, EVs are quieter than traditional vehicles, reducing noise pollution in urban areas. Finally, it's worth noting that EVs are the future of the transport system. Many automakers have announced plans to transition to a fully electric vehicle lineup in the coming years. Governments are also investing heavily in EV infrastructure, with plans to build more charging stations and increase the use of renewable energy sources to power these stations. Of course, there are challenges to the widespread adoption of EVs. One of the biggest challenges is the range anxiety that many consumers experience when considering the purchase of an EV. However, this is becoming less of an issue as EV technology improves and the range of EVs increases. Additionally, the availability of charging infrastructure is still a challenge in some regions, although governments and private companies are working to address this. In conclusion, the transition to a fully electric vehicle fleet would bring about significant benefits in terms of reduced emissions, cost efficiency, and technical superiority. While there are challenges to overcome, it's clear that EVs are the future of the transport system. As such, it's essential that we continue to invest in EV technology and infrastructure to ensure a smooth transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future. If you like the given information, then do like the video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep your information updated.